Hello friends, welcome back to the Pieces Network. In this video we are using Visme online editor to create YouTube channel art. Hope you like the video, then let's start the video. Visme is a presentation and infographic tool. Its most common uses are for presentations, infographics, banners and short animations and teasers. Users can easily publish and share Visme online, embed it to website or blogs, and can even download it as image, PDF or as HTML5 files. It allows anyone to create professional content that can be viewed on virtually any web or mobile device. Visme is fully online, and gives users complete control of their content. So let's start the video. First of all, open your Chrome browser. After the browser opens, write Visme YouTube channel art in the search bar and click on the search button. You will see this kind of result. The first link in it is written Visme, click it. Now some such page will open in front of you. In it you will see many templates, click on whatever template you like. If you choose a premium template, then you have to pay. After selecting the template, click on Use this template. It will ask you to sign up when you use the first time. If you want, you can also sign up from Google or Facebook account. Simply click on Google or Facebook, then enter your ID and password and click on Login. After signing up, some such interface will appear in front of you. Here you will get all the necessary features to make channel art. To edit the text, click on the text box and you can write whatever you want to write. To move an object, click and hold, then you can move anywhere. If you want, you can also change the font of the text. That's easy to change. Select the text whose font you want to change, then click on the font tool, select the font you want to apply from font option. If you want, you can also change the font size of the text, select the font size you want to apply from font size option. If you want, you can also change the background color of the text. Select the text background and click More options at the top. Then select Fill and Border. Now choose the color you want to apply to the text background. To change the text color, simply select the text you want to change the color, and click on the A button. Font color option will appear. Choose the color you want to apply. If you want to change the background image of the channel art, select the background and click Remove Background at the top. Now click on Upload Background and you can upload your own image. To apply a filter or adjust the brightness, click on Filter and choose the filter you want to apply. After complete editing, click on the title of the file and enter the name you want to save and click the Save button. Finally, click Download in the upper right corner of the page, and choose the first free option and your file will download quickly. Thanks for watching the video. To get more YouTube tips and tricks, subscribe to the Pieces Network.